Hey, this is Adrienne with Swift Galleries. I wanted to show you really quickly how you can handle if you have a client that can't get you a room photo for whatever reason. Maybe the space that you need to design for is in an awkward spot where you can't take an image straight on. So this is how you can go about still building a design for them without having an actual space, a room photo from them. So all you need to do is, I'm going to go into my clients and go into this client and then go into the designer. So all you need to do is ask your client to measure the space so that you know how much space you have to work with. Go into design, and once you have that number, you can do two things. One, if you want to work with the templates that you already have pre-built, you can go into the filters, you can change these parameters. These numbers are set based on the templates that I already have pre-built over in Manage Templates. Your numbers may be different. I can change the parameters and you'll see the number of templates that match changes, okay? And then once I'm happy with that, I can hide those filters. And it's going to change the number of templates that show up over here on the left. So what I can do is choose a gallery, and this one actually looks good for this space, but I can also, once I've done that, I can click in here, I can go to total gallery size, and I can see how much space is taken up. Now, if I see that it's too big, I can come in and I can delete as I need to, and see this total gallery size has now changed. And then of course you can always change rooms to find a room that fits a little bit better. Let's see, this one might work. So you can change rooms once you're happy with the template or the design that you have. And then of course you can go ahead and fill with your client's images and show them what that gallery will look like. Alright, so again, the two different ways that you can do this are by changing your template filters to filter down and narrow down the number of templates that you see over here that will only fit that space. And then you can also click once on the gallery to see the overall size. Again, always let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help.